Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be going through the Bloom bot and why you need this to be trading meme coins in 2025. Now, the reason why you need this is because there's been some brand new updates where you can auto buy through any Telegram group. So if you have Telegram on the web open or Discord on the web open, the minute a contract address is posted on Discord, you can automatically buy into it. So this is a new feature that Bloom has just brought out. What Bloom does is basically they give you faster entries into everything. Now what they can do is they can collaborate with your existing exchange, so you can basically partner up and you can use this Google Chrome extension, which that you can then use on all of these exchanges. So you can use it on GMGN, Bullx, Neo, any exchange, your favorite exchange, you can use it with. So we're going to get into how to set this bot up, and then we're going to get into some of the great features. So at the moment, I have set this bot up with a Twitter tracker to track mrpunk.eth. So I'm going to try and get this video out as quickly as possible, just to give you a bit of alpha. So mrpunk.eth is a guy that I've been following through for literally probably about a year now. He's been active in the meme coin space, one of the most active people in the meme coin space, giving out great Telegram calls, and I've been following him for a while now. Now, there's been a couple meme coins that have been created about this mrpunk.eth, and they've went to 100 million market cap, and they've crashed down. But a lot of people have made some money from that initial pump. So Mr. Punk has decided that he's going to create his own meme coin today. So the ticker is going to come out on his Twitter. He's going to post a contract address on his Twitter and Telegram. Now this bot will automatically scan through all of his Twitter the minute a contract address is posted in either his bio, on one of his tweets. So I've got it set up the minute he mentions this contract address for his meme token, the Bloom bot will automatically buy in. So I'm going to show you how to do that within this video. I've already done one video on this little method, but we'll go through all the benefits of Bloom bot. Now, once you've downloaded the Chrome extension, if you come to this document right here and then go to Chrome extension, or if you just type in Bloom Chrome extension, you just click how it works, and then you click the official extension links that are available on Chrome and Firefox. So click this Chrome one, install it, and then you'll see something like this. What you need to do is then sign up using a link in my description below to Bloombot. This is a referral commission. You don't have to use my exact link if you don't want to. I do appreciate it if you do, but you don't have to use it. You could just Google Bloombot and then sign up yourself. But what you do is you click get code and then you open the Telegram and then sign up with Telegram. Now, once you've got your bot, you need to deposit some Solana to this bot. And once you've got Solana in your bot, you'll see something like this in your screen. All you got to do is click get code and then open a Telegram bot, copy the access code and then paste it into here and click verify. And there we go. So you can see that there's a quick buy amount right here. But if you want to look at my settings right now and what I've got set up for the Twitter tracker, and then we'll go through how to use the auto buy feature a bit more. So if you want to set up the Twitter tracker, click AFK mode and then click add new config. But I've already got it set up right here to mrpunk.eth. So if you scroll up, you can see the settings that I've done. So I'm going to buy in for 0.4 Sol on this. I might even take some money from my other wallet and then try and use it with this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my money with Bullx, Neo or GMGN and try and buy it manually as well, just in case this bot somehow misses it due to the fee or the buy tip. So what you could do with this, usually I put my slippage as 25, but because this is going to be a massive token, I've increased it to 35. What you want to do is copy all of these settings right here, multi-region, mev protect. You can even add a tip as well if you want to. So like a little extra amount just to bribe, just so you're the first one in as quickly as possible. Then this little Twitter emoji right here, this little bird emoji, all you have to do is click that and then input the Twitter account that you want to actually follow. Now, mrpunk.eth will only be posting, I believe, one contract address. So depending when this video goes out, I was trying to do it as quickly as possible. Hopefully you can get to see this video. It comes out today. So literally, I'm just going to say, get in for the initial pump. This will probably go up to 100 million market cap, no doubt about it, just because of the amount of following that he has within the meme coin space. And I'm not the only one that's looking at this right now. There's thousands of other people that are waiting to get in, just clicking refresh, waiting for him to drop the contract address like little fiends. So that's what I'm like right now, just doing the same thing. So in the future, if anything comes out like this, where some massive influencer or some massive meme coin somebody in the meme coin space is creating a token, you want to set up something like this. This Twitter Sniper bot is one of the quickest ways to get into a token that I've ever seen in the meme coin space. You want to make sure all these settings are done. If you're going to copy a Twitter account that isn't like this, that just posts loads of other different meme coins and the sort of like an alpha channel, then what you need to be doing for this is just setting the minimum and max market cap to the levels of coins that you want to actually get into. If you want to get into micro cap coins, which could be a bit riskier, or if you want to get into already established meme coins that people think are going to go well, then you want to do your minimum market cap at a couple million. But if you want to get into the riskier plays, the brand new tokens, then you want to put your maximum market cap to around $1 million. When you're looking for a pre-launch, I just completely just leave this. If you're getting into a pre-launch token and this is the purpose behind it, then these are the exact settings you want to do. And I'd even do a higher buy tip. So for the buy tip, it depends on how much SOL you're going to be putting in. If I'm going to be putting in, I'm thinking about investing 2 SOL into this. So if I'm going to be putting 2 SOL just on the Bloom bot, I'd probably also do a buy tip of 0.2, 0.4, something along those lines. Especially if it's a coin that's about to skyrocket and you know it's going to skyrocket. Okay, so that's how to set up this Twitter bot. This Twitter bot, one of the best things I've ever seen. I've just said that, but I have to say it again. It's one of the best things that I've ever seen to get into a token. So this is how it works with Discord. Now, what this channel is basically it shows me when multiple whale wallets have bought into a single token. Now you can see that 4 whale wallets have bought into this token. This was at 12:31, which was 2 minutes ago, right? So what you need to understand is that usually what people will be doing when they're looking through these Discord channels and alpha channels is they'll be copying the contract address, going to the exchange, pasting it in, then going on and buying it, which can take a couple seconds, 15 to 20 seconds. Within that 15 to 20 seconds, the price could have rose to an exponential amount just because of the volatility within the meme coin space. So if you're on these different alpha group channels and you see a good token that you're like, oh my God, I need to get into now, this is why this Bloom feature is amazing, because you can literally just keep this open. Because you can literally just keep this open, and as soon as you see a token that you think is worth investing into, you just buy it straight away using the Bloom bot. The most people who make the most money from meme coins are the people who jump into these tokens the earliest. So if you can just get in as early as possible, then you're going to make the most money, especially if the coin's going to do well. So obviously I'm going to keep this open. Hopefully I can see if this contract address will be posted, but if not, I don't need to worry. After this video, I can edit this, go for me dinner, and I don't have to worry about missing the MrPunk.eth coin because I know it's going to launch and I know my Telegram bot is going to buy into it. So it's no worry. What you can also do as well with this feature, I've not personally tested out the auto buy feature yet. Remember, this is brand new. It only come out, I think, 2 days ago, this new update, or I think today maybe, but it's one of the best updates I've ever seen. So just thank you to the Bloom bot for doing this. But you can actually auto buy into any of the contracts that get posted. So if you've got a channel right here that is great, you can find a link to the Discord in the link in my description below. I'm not affiliated with this Discord in any way. This is just a tool that I've been using to trade with. But you don't have to use this tool. It costs 0.2 SOL a month just to be into it. If you had something like this, for example, then it's just, you could automatically buy in. So if you have it open on this screen, you can set the auto buy settings to however much SOL you want to buy in for. So you can set it for 0.01, especially if you're not going to be looking at the tokens, you want to do it for a low, small Solana balance. You can literally just have this open and let it run and automatically buy into tokens for you. And then you want to just put in skip contract if previously bought, because you don't want to be buying into tons of tokens. Remember, this can be posted twice because it shows every time some new whale wallet has bought into this token. So you can set the auto buy up to 0.01, 0.1, whatever fee you want to do properly, you can set it up for. And you can also do the same for Telegram. So if you're on Telegram on the web, you can find an alpha channel. For example, I could probably set it up for this MrPunk.eth channel. It will automatically buy in for the amount that you choose. So again, you don't want to be wasting loads of your SOL with this, obviously, because it could get into a token that you don't think is worth investing into at all. So keep that in mind. I will be setting up my own Discord group with even more Telegram calls than this one as well, and it'll be free. They'll have a free Twitter tracker, and I'm going to try and set up a multi-buy alpha, so keep an eye out for that. But on a Telegram call scraper, every time someone posts a meme in this as well, if they just post a link to the deck screener, you can buy in. If they post a contract address, you can buy in. It's amazing. So if you've got it on Telegram as well, you can do the exact same thing. And this is one of the quickest ways to get into a token, especially if you're using this alpha knowledge. And I always use this type of alpha knowledge anyway. As soon as you get the notification that these whales are invested into it, and you get in as early as possible using this Bloom bot, getting into 0.2. Again, you can set the custom amount. So if you don't want to get in for 0.2, you can set the quick buy amount to 0.1, 0.7. You know what I mean? And you can see it changing there as well. So you get the power behind this. Any contract address that you get from Discord or Telegram, you can buy into it straight away. And then if you're also using the meme decks on GMGN or Bullx Neo, you can also use this as a quicker buy. So thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I'm going to try and get this out before Mr. Punk releases this coin. So if you managed to get into this coin, let me know how you did in the results below. It's going to pump to a stupid level. He's buying 90% of the supply. There's no roadmap, no utility, no promises, no financial returns. So all I'm saying is that there will be a massive pump with this. I don't know how well it's going to do in the long run. He's going to try and make it a long play, but I don't know how well this is going to do. All I am saying is today, when he releases this token, it will pump massively. So if you get in, then best of luck to you. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe for more trading content.